Assalamu alaikum dear student, welcome to the channel Discover Concept. In this channel I will share videos with you related to the core subject like physics, chemistry, math and also some other educational videos. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter of second year that and the topic is Introduction to Electrostatic. So what is electrostatic? Electrostatic is the branch of physics that deals with the study of charges at rest. For example, we have a charge q. So if the charge is at rest and we are studying this charge properties, so this is called electrostatic. If a charge is at rest, it must have electric field around it. But if a charge is in motion, so it will also have a magnetic field. So we are only discussing the static charges, so we will be discussing the electric field and other related terms to the charge. So the next term is electrostatic force. For example, we have two charges q1 and q2, so there must exist a force between them because they are having some electric field. These field may be repulsive for one another or attractive for one another. So the force of attraction or repulsion between these two charges is called Coulomb force or electrostatic force. Then types of charges. There are basically two kinds of charges. There is electron and proton. Electron is have negative charge and proton have positive charge. Another term is types of forces between the charges. So there basically exist two kind of forces, as I earlier mentioned as well, that there exist attractive or repulsive forces between the two charges. If one charge is positive, another charge is negative, so the force between them will be attractive. But if charges are same, i.e. both are positive or both are negative, so force between them will be repulsive. Next we have charge on elementary particles. So the charge on both proton and electron is same, but for proton it is positive and electron it is negative, and that is 1.6 multiplied 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Another term is the source charge. If we have a charge q and we want to find the field of that charge at any point, for example p, or we want to find the strength of this charge at any point p. So the charge which we are discussing is called source charge, and the next term we have test charge. So for example, I want to find the strength of this charge q at any point p, so I will bring another charge q, which we usually take plus positive charge, but the size of that charge is so small that it does not affect the electric field of that charge, which we are the properties of which charge we are studying. So this charge is called source charge, and the charge which gave us the properties of the source charge is called test charge. The next term is quantization of charge. Quantization of charge means charge exists in the discrete brackets, or quantization of charge means that charge on an object is the integral multiple of the basic unit of charge. Here for quantization of charge we have q is equal to ne. Here e is the basic unit, means the charge on each particle. Like for we have its value 1.6 multiplied 10 power minus 19 coulomb, and n here represent integers, mean to say its value can be plus minus 1 2 3 4. The n value can never be equal to like 1.2, 1.3 or minus 1.4 etc. mean it cannot be in the form of points. It will always be in the form of integers or in the form of discrete numbers.